Everything you need to know about sneezing. Sneezing can have different causes, but it is always involuntary and is a form of protection for the body. Sneezing is the popular name for sneezing, an involuntary way of expelling air from the body. Sneezing helps clear irritants from the nose or throat and often happens suddenly, without warning. Although it can be a nuisance, sneezing is not usually a symptom of any serious health problem. What causes the sneeze? Part of the nose's job is to filter the air we breathe so that dirt and bacteria are not inhaled. In most cases, the nose retains this dirt and bacteria in the mucus. The stomach then digests the mucus, neutralizing any potentially harmful invaders. Sometimes, however, dirt and debris can get into the nose and irritate the sensitive mucous membranes inside the nose and throat. When these membranes get irritated, you sneeze. The sneeze can be triggered by allergens, viruses such as the common cold or flu, nasal irritants, inhalation of corticosteroids through a nasal spray, withdrawal of any continuous use medication, allergies. How to avoid sneezing. In cases of outbreaks and epidemics of new flu viruses, when presenting the first symptoms, it is necessary to seek medical help using a mask and alcohol gel on the hands. In everyday life, when there are no flu outbreaks and pandemics, one of the best ways to avoid sneezing is to avoid agents that cause irritation. Be careful when sneezing. When sneezing, always cover with the inside of your arm. This way you avoid contagion in greater proportions. In case of pandemics and flu outbreaks of new viruses, maintain isolation, wear a mask, wash your hands with soap and water frequently, use alcohol gel and seek medical help.